Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I am here for my CVS video for you guys. This is our midweek CVS video, y'all. I'm actually happy that I started doing a midweek video. I feel like there's always extra deals to toss on that sometimes you don't find out about until like you've already posted your Sunday video. So that's why, you know, I started doing a midweek CVS video for the deals that I just found out about or things that I might want to try. And so so today I do have some new deals to share with y'all, which is always really cool. But if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also make sure to just smash the like button, support your girl, because your girl just told me get as many likes as she thinks she should. Like, I feel like if you're watching, you should be liking. And if I get it though, I get it. Sometimes you think you liked and you didn't like. So if you think that you liked, like again. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss on a video. I'm gonna try to do real time, but y'all know your girl be at Club CVS and I can't get no strikes. You two gonna be like, strike, strike, strike. Like, strike, strike, strike. Like my stockpile video I just posted, strike, 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 strike. Like, can't even think about trying to monetize that video because of the music, but I do like the music. That's why I kept it in. So I have some things to try today. I have some new deals to share with y'all. Have a good luck follow on that way if you want to. Trying to think if there's any of those I want to add. No, so without further ado, let's get over to CVS and see what kind of awesome deals we could get this week. So keep on watching if you want to see what I got.
Alright guys, so this first deal is on the fruit trees. I hope y'all got it when y'all got it on Sunday, because this store is completely out. You might find them on these little stands around the store, but this store is out of them, y'all. They are priced at 2 for $8, and it's spend 15 get back 5, limit of 1. So for this, I've been grabbing these in sets of 4 for $16. I do have a 3 off of 15 CRT. I also have a 2 off of 2 CRT as well that we all should have. And then I'm using 2 of these 3 off of 2 coupons from coupons.com. It is glitching with a 3 off of 2 digital. So you'll end up paying $2 out of pocket, but you'll get back 5, making this a $3 moneymaker. Alright, so the other deal that I grabbed this week is on the Suave. They are 2 for $6. I realized that these really big bottles do work for the promotion as well. Now the one that doesn't work is this one right here. Well, it works for the promotion, but it didn't work with the coupon. So I was going to grab this one, but I didn't because the coupon didn't work with it. So you want to grab 2 of these at 2 for $6. They are buy 2, get back 2. Again, we're using this $2 off of 2 coupon. It's a Unilever coupon that you can get from signing up to emails. I get mine from my Ip Fairy. And so you'll end up paying 4 and you'll get back 2. Making them $1 a piece, which is not bad. So my next deal is on Eucerin. I have to do this deal again, y'all. I told y'all why. My little pumpkin head, yeah, he be needing Eucerin and Aquaphor. So whenever I can get the 2, I do. And so it is spend 20 get back 10. And so for this deal, we're grabbing this store is out of them, but you want to grab 3 of these here, price at $6.79. They have that one there, and then they have another one right here. Your total is going to come to $20.37. Now for coupons, you guys, I've been using the 5 off of 2 and the 3 off of 1 face product. The sun one does not work. Now I did try using 3 of the $3 coupons, but only 2 scanned. So that's why I've been using 1 5 off of 2 and 1 3 off of 1. I also have a 5 off of 20 lotion CRT. I'll end up paying $7.37 out of pocket, but getting back the 10, making all 3 products free, plus a $2.63 moneymaker. So this next deal that I'm gonna grab is on the L'Oreal Elvive. They are buy 2 get back 4, and they're priced at $5.29. So 2 of them is gonna cost you $10.58. Now for this, you guys, I've been using this 4 off of 2 hang tag coupon. I actually found these at I found these here at CVS. Actually, I may have found them at Walmart as well, but I've been using this coupon and it has been working for me. There's also 3 off of 2 digital as well that is glitching. You'll pay $3.58 and then you'll get back 4, making this a 42-cent moneymaker. Did the Fruities, we did the Suave, we did the L'Oreal, the Eucerin, there's that, and then all of my coupons that I used all scanned. Everything was perfect. The first one was the $4 off of 2 hang tag, 5 off 2 on the Eucerin, 3 off of 1 Eucerin. What else was there? The $3 printables off of the Fruities. And there goes the digital for L'Oreal, there goes the digital for the Fruities, there goes a 5 off 20 lotion, 3 off 15 Garnier, and 2 off of 2. That was on the Fruities. And then I rode $18.90. And then I got that bag 10, 5, 2, and 4, 21, I want to say, an extra care bucks for this transaction. So I mentioned this deal in my Sundays video. I didn't do it because my favorite cashier had went on a break, and the one that subbed in for her, she does check expiration dates and she won't even take it if it's a minute expired. Believe me. So yeah, so I guess that just shows me a girl gotta be a little quicker, like that commercial, gotta be quicker than that. And so I'm gonna do this deal. Well, I already did it yesterday. All right. Now I didn't have the 4x16 CRT anymore, but I thought it was still a pretty good deal to do, so I'm gonna mention it again. All right, so it's on the Revlon. Revlon is a part of our promotion. It's spend 25, get back 8, and there's a lot of different products that are part of this promo. And so for this, we're gonna start off with the Revlon foundation. It's the Luminous one. It's priced at $17.99. We're gonna grab one of those, and we're also gonna grab the other cheapest item I could find. Well, they have this one here at $9.99, but then these down here are priced at $9.79. Total for both is gonna come to $27.78, and then we're gonna use a 4 off of 1 CRT off of Revlon. We're also gonna stack it with one of the $3 coupons right there, which did expire, and a $3 coupon off of the Eye as well, which will bring your total down to you paying $17.78 out of pocket, but you'll get back $8 in extra care bucks plus $8 on Ibotta for that foundation, making it only $1.78 for both of them, or 89 cents each. All right, so this is what this receipt looks like. There goes the Eucerin at the very top. There goes the Revlon, and then as far as my coupons, there's a 5 off of 2 on the what is that? 5 off 2 on the Eucerin, 3 off of 1 on Eucerin, and then I have $3 coupons off of the Revlon. There goes a 5 off 20 lotion, 4 off 1 Revlon CRT, and then I wrote $26.65 total, and then we got back 18 in extra care bucks, and then we got back another $8 on Ibotta for the Revlon. So this deal worked out pretty good too. So this is a deal that I wanted to try, and so listen, so L'Oreal skincare is it's spend 45, get back 15, limit of 1. So for this deal, I really wanted to utilize these $5 printables that I have, and then we have digitals as well, and there's also I have a 6 off 30. So for this deal, I wanted to get the cheapest item so I could use the most coupons. So for this deal, I went ahead and grabbed a total of 5 of them priced at $7.29, which are the wipes, the cleanser, and then they have another one. It's that same one that we've been getting at Walmart. I don't see it at this store anywhere. And then the other item that I grabbed was this one right here, which is the Age Perfect cleanser, which is priced at $7.99. All right, so we're grabbing 5 at $7.29, 1 at $7.99. That'll bring your total to $44.44. And then I had a 6 off of 30 CRT that I used, and then I used 4 of these printables, and then I also used 2 digitals. Now when I did the transaction, I did it by itself. At first it didn't look like the digitals were coming off, and I did have 2 extra coupons just in case, but I had the cashier total it, and once she hit total, they came off. So yeah, so it ended up being a really great deal. So I ended up paying $8.44 out of pocket, and then we got back the $15. So that ended up being a $6.56 moneymaker, y'all, which is so awesome. Here's another deal. I hope you got it. When you got it, it's on the Love Beauty Planet. I maxed this across the board. It's spend 15, get back 5, and at this store they're priced at $8.59. The BOGO coupon right here is going to take off $8.59, which is the price of one of them. We do have a digital as well that's taking off the other one, so it makes them both absolutely free. The store I got them from yesterday, they were priced a little bit more. They were $8.99. So two of them is $17.98. This BOGO took off $8.99, and then the digital, the max amount on the digital I believe is $8.69 because that's all it took off. So I did pay 30 cents. And then I got back the 5, so I made a $4.70 moneymaker. Here at this store, at this price, they're absolutely free, plus a $5 moneymaker. And this is what this receipt looks like for the L'Oreal. This deal was perfect, you guys. It was so perfect. So I used the $5 printables. I had two $5 digitals. There goes my 6 off 30. I rolled $8 in extra care bucks, 54 cents was subtotal, and got back the 15. So this was a perfect deal. And then here is the Love Beauty Planet. So I did this transaction yesterday, and again at that store they were priced at $8.99. And so the BOGO, the paper coupon, took off $8.99, and then the digital took off $8.69. So I did pay us a total of 30 cents, and we got back the 5. And so this one worked out good as well. So my next deal, I'm super stoked about this deal. It's on the Pantene. It's on the higher end ones. They are buy one get one 40% off, and they're also buy two get back 4. So we're gonna grab our first one at $10.79. The second one is gonna be $6.47. So the total for two of them should be $17.26. Now as far as coupons, I do have a 4 of 16 Pantene CRT that I'm gonna use. I don't have any other paper coupons for this, so I will pay $13.26 out of pocket, but I'll end up getting back $4 in extra care bucks, and then we're also going to be getting back $8 for buying 2 on Ibotta. So it's going to bring it down to $1.26 for both of them, or only 63 cents each. So there goes a Pantene at the very top. Well, it's the only thing on the receipt, so of course it's at the top. It's at the top and the bottom. So there goes a Pantene. There goes a 4 of 16 CRT. I rolled $12, $13.26 total. Got back the 4 plus 8 on Ibotta, and so yeah, that worked out. I just wish I would have had a coupon.
Alright guys, so this next deal I forgot to record in stores on the Dove. It is buy one get one 50% off. It's also buy two get back 4. So for this we're going to grab 1 Dove men and 1 Dove women. The total is going to be $14.99 for both. Now I did use a $2.50 coupon off of the women's. There's a 4 off of 2 digital as well that is also glitching. You'll pay $8.49 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $4 in extra care bucks, plus $1 for each on Ibotta, and then 500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2, making them only 24 cents each. Next up is the Head & Shoulders Supreme. I had to do this deal, y'all. They are buy one get one 40% off, and it's also buy two get back 4. So the first one was $12.49, and the second one was $7.49. The total was $19.98. I have a 4 off of 14 CRT. I also had a 3 off of 2 that I attached as well, which was more than I expected. You'll pay $12.98 out of pocket, but you'll get back $4 in extra care bucks, $3.25 times 2 on Ibotta, plus a 50-cent bonus, making them only 99 cents each. Alright guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys. This is so awesome. I love it. Everything worked out really good. Like, I didn't have any situations at all. Not one single one, y'all. Today was pretty easy. I did some of these deals on Monday yesterday, and I did the rest of them today. I did a ton of transactions, y'all. I think I may have showed you all my receipts, but this is on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 there. I think I showed you those, and then I don't think I showed you these. This is the one with what? Let me see. This is the one with the Dove on it. All right, the Dove deodorant. I added fillers, so I'm not even going to count those. But this is the Dove deodorant. I got 1 men, 1 women. I used the $2.50
insert coupon, and then I used a $2 coupon that was on the Suave. I did have the 4 off of 2 digital attached as well, which was cool for this one. And then I got back 2 for Suave and 4 for Dove. And then again, getting back, and actually for Ibotta, I actually got back $2 on the Dove women. So it gave me credit for 2 on the women and then 1 for the men. So I actually got back $3 on that. And then on Shopkick, it was just $2 for the Dove women. So that was that receipt. And then this one here was this was the Head and Shoulder. I don't know if I even did this deal in the video. I don't think I recorded it. But it's on the Head and Shoulder. It's buy one, get one 40% off. And it's also buy 2, get back 4. We got $3.25 back for each one on Ibotta. And then we also had a 50-cent bonus as well. And for this one, I actually was surprised because I didn't think the 3 off of 2 digital was going to work on those, but it did. And then I had the 4 off of 14 CRT as well, which brought the out-of-pocket to $13.55, I want to say. And then we got back the 4, all right? And then another $3.25 for each one I bought plus 50-cent bonus. And so, yeah, and that was on these 2 right here. I don't think I went over that in the video. I'm trying to make this quick because I got to get my big kid from school. So listen, everything you see here retails $304.31. I had $1.99 and 4 cents in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, you guys. I brought the out-of-pocket down to $105.27, you guys. That was $105.27 out of pocket, not including tax. And then I walk away with $97 in extra care bucks, $26 from Ibotta, and $2 from Shopkick. So we got back a total of $125, making everything you see here free plus a $19.73 money maker, you guys, which is just awesome. And even after our $23.60 in tax, it still nets us at $3.87 or 7 cents each, y'all, which is, that's free. We just gonna say that's free. That's free, y'all. 49 products, 7 cents each. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And I get to try the high-priced Pantene, and we got the high-priced Head and Shoulder. So this was an awesome deal. I don't know if I mentioned that you can get the hairspray for that deal. The coupon did work on that, but it didn't work on the men, the Suave Men Care. All right. And so other than that, you guys, I will leave it there. My favorite deal today, y'all, Pantene and Head and Shoulder and L'Oreal. Oh, and Love Beauty Planet and Suave. You know what? They all my favorite deals. I ain't even gonna lie. They all my favorite deals. A lot of them all made me money, so I cannot complain other than that. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.